In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the vehicle speed sensor on this Ford Escape. This is going to be underneath the vehicle, attached to the transmission on the driver's side. Let's get into it. If your vehicle has an undercarriage shield, you're going to need to take that off. This vehicle doesn't have one. I'm going to reach up on the side. We can see where the connector is. Just push down on the tab. Slide the connector out, just like that. And right above, there is a bolt that attaches the sensor. Using a 8mm socket, take the bolt out at the top of the sensor. The bolt out, grab the sensor. Might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. If you have to, use some pliers, just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. You might need a screwdriver to pry that out a little bit and pull that right out. Take the new sensor, slide it in place. You can use a little silicone lubricant on the O-ring. Just push it in. Make sure it's fully seated. It's all the way down. Take the bolts, get that started. Snug that down. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. And if you had a panel underneath, you want to reinstall it at this time.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.